Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Genesis G70. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and in park or neutral with the parking brakes engaged. It's wise to wear safety glasses and gloves for protection. Before connecting anything, visually inspect both batteries for any signs of damage or fluid leaks. Position the assisting vehicle so it is close enough for the cables to reach, but ensure the vehicles are not touching each other. Now let's connect the positive cables. Take your red jumper cable and securely attach one clamp to the positive terminal of your Genesis G70's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the other red clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Double-check that both connections are firm and that the clamps are not touching any other metal parts. For the negative connections, take one black jumper cable clamp and attach it firmly to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. The crucial next step is to connect the other black clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Genesis G70's engine block or chassis. Choose a sturdy, clean metal part, keeping it away from the battery and any moving engine components. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge the dead battery slightly. Then, try to start your Genesis G70. If it starts, great. Disconnect the cables in the reverse order. First the black clamp from the G70's chassis, then the black from the assisting vehicle, followed by the red from the assisting vehicle, and finally the red from your G70. Drive your G70 for at least 20 minutes to help recharge its battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.